Choosing the right mobile home park property management software can make a world of a difference in the efficiency of your operations and satisfaction of your tenants. But with so many options available, how do you know which fits your needs best? Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, we'll share our top picks for mobile home park property management software. Let's start by discussing the basic features to look for when shopping for software options. To make sure you get the most value out of your investment, it's essential to look for software that offers features specifically designed to meet the unique needs of mobile home park management, such as customizable unit management, efficient tenant screening, and maintenance management tools. Implementing mobile home park management software can change your life and business dynamics. Streamlining operations and automating time-consuming tasks can save valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business and increasing profitability. Additionally, the software can improve the tenant experience by making it easier to submit maintenance requests, pay rent, and stay in touch with management. In the long run, a better tenant experience can lead to increased tenant retention and positive word-of-mouth recommendations, further contributing to the success of your business. So now let's hop into our picks of the top mobile home park management software solutions. First is DoorLoop, an all-in-one, simple software management solution designed to help landlords and property managers streamline and grow their businesses efficiently. With some of the highest ratings on platforms like Capterra, Software Advice, and G2, you can be confident in the quality and reliability of DoorLoop services. DoorLoop offers features such as automated rent collection, complete tenant screening tools, a robust tenant communication portal, simplified vendor and maintenance management, automated online payment processing, affordable pricing, powerful and customizable reports to deliver deeper insights into your finances, and much, much more. On top of its robust feature set, DoorLoop also comes with an award-winning, best-in-class customer support team, which can answer your questions through phone, email, screen sharing, and tutorial videos to ensure you get maximum value from DoorLoop software. DoorLoop's pricing starts at just $49 per month for 20 units and offers a free demo. You can click the link down below to schedule a free demo with a real person and see what it's all about. Next on our list is Buildium. They offer a property management platform with features like online payments, tax support, a resident communication portal, software integrations, financial reporting, and help with tenant screening and e-signatures. They also offer support with marketing and business development. Buildium's pricing starts at $55 per month with the Essentials plan, $174 per month with the Growth plan, and $375 per month with the Premium plan. Rent Manager is a powerful property management software offering a comprehensive residential, commercial, and short-term portfolio solution. They offer a nice feature set including accounting, financial reporting, marketing, software integrations, business development, and more. They don't offer their pricing publicly, so you'll have to contact them. Rent Room is a property management software designed for mobile home park managers to help them run their properties more efficiently. Its software includes some nice accounting tools and unique community management features for mobile homes. It also integrates with other software services and automatically syndicates your listing to rental platforms like Zillow and Apartments.com. With built-in screening features, finding new tenants for your mobile home park is much easier. Rent Room starter plan is $49.99 per month for under 15 tenants. Then you'll have to upgrade to their basic plan for $74.99 per month. Their highest tier with all their features is the Max plan for $249.99 per month. Landlord Studio is a property management tool that is cloud-based and mobile-first. The software accounting features can help you conduct tenant screenings. It also has a clean user interface, making it easy to use even if you're not the most tech-savvy property manager. The company's introductory plan charges $12.99 per month for up to 3 units and goes up $1 per month for each additional one. Hemlane is another cloud-based property management solution that makes it easy for landlords to manage their rental properties. Hemlane offers features like rent collection and 24/7 repair automation, as well as connecting users with local agents to show vacancies and coordinate repairs with local professionals. The basic plan starts at $30 per month plus $2 per unit you manage. If you want access to everything Hemlane offers, you'll need the Premium plan, which costs $60 per month plus $32 for every additional unit. Ripmoji offers many features in its mobile and desktop property management applications, including tenant communication tools, automatic rent payment management, financial reporting, automated listing and lead harvesting, and simplified property management and repair scheduling. The pricing is not listed publicly, so you'll have to contact them. In conclusion, conclusion, you have many options when choosing property management software for your mobile home parks, but it's important to conduct thorough research before you commit to any software options. And don't forget about DoorLoop's all-in-one property management software for managing your mobile home park. DoorLoop has some of the highest ratings in the industry across software platforms like Capterra, Software Advice, and G2. It includes everything you need to manage your properties more efficiently and effectively while keeping everything incredibly simple, lightning fast, and most notably, easy to use. So get a free demo today with the link down in the description to learn more about DoorLoop. I hope this video helped you out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!